I'm making for some bacon and egg tortillas. Just saving my bacon fat for later. On guys, and these are my eggs that we're gonna use for our bacon and egg tortas. Guys, taking the bacon out, and then I'm gonna chop it, guys. Chopping the bacon, guys. Very hot. Just scrambled eggs and bacon cut up. Look how beautiful that looks. Now we're getting ready to make the tortas. Again to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. As you can see, my say hi to everybody. Teddy, come. Ginger, come. Look at my puppies. Come here, Teddy. Look where they are. Come and say hi to everyone. They know when I'm cooking. They come in here and here, Ginger. And here, Teddy. Everybody gets a little piece of thing now. Okay, scram. Come on, guys, out. So, guys, I want to make for you guys today scrambled eggs with bacon. If you go before this episode, you'll see some clips of me cooking the eggs and the bacon and chopping it up and mixing it together. Right, Michael?
Oh, yeah.
So I wanted to have everything ready for you guys. All you're going to need is your flour tortillas or corn tortillas, whatever your preference is, you know. You need a little pan like this, and a lot of people like to put butter in it. And when I'm going to make tortillas, you know, if they're flour, whatever they are, I like to, in the pan, everybody puts a little bit of butter, oil. I like to put my bacon fat. As you can see, this bacon fat is kind of like white in the bottom, and then it is oily on the top. It is because that fat, that little bit was from earlier this morning, and then I just made some more bacon, a little bit of go for this, and this one is liquid. That's the only reason. But I like to do this. See, so I take my brush, put a little bit of that bacon fat there, because you want to color your tortilla. You want to color that, right, Michael? So you want to color first the inside, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to put it in there like that. And if you have tongs like these, this is what they're called, right, tongs? Hey, Ginger, what are you doing? You scooping out the whole kitchen? These are my babies, guys. I hope everybody, you guys are taking care of yourselves. And everybody's doing the right thing and taking care of your puppies. Don't let your puppies be sniffing other dogs, because you never know. You know what I'm saying? Dogs, they do get sick like that. So, okay. So, as you can see, it's brown on that side. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it out. And I'm going to do the same thing with this one. But, as you guys said, I like to put a little bit of oil there like that. And then we're going to do the same one. And let that color on that side. Like I was saying, let's be careful and yes, stay away from each other. We don't know how bad this is, but as like they're saying on TV, you know what I'm saying, the media and the president, it seems like this is something that is not good for anybody. So I hope they get something that they can spray in the air and we can have this thing gone. Nobody wants to deal with that. Okay, guys. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to lower the thing here. And I have these two, right, guys? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this egg like this. Okay, hold on a second. I'm going to pour it all over that tortilla. On the inside, on the side that I browned, right?
Oh, yeah.
Because we're going to be doing the same thing on the other side. That's on low, right? Try not to burn yourself, Mikey. And of course, I'm going to give this one to my husband. And the inside of this one, we're going to put it against this. Now we're going to take our oil or our bacon fat. Excuse me, Michael. You don't want to put a lot of eggs. So you don't want to be cooking. You see how it is smoking there? This is already hot. So we're going to put this like that on that side. And then I'm going to flip it. And somehow I got to flip it and make sure that the inside of none of this falls. So how you do that? I'm going to show you guys how you do this. See, it's maybe a little bit of it might come out, but if it doesn't matter, if it does, we'll just put it back in again. We're gonna do it real fast. Move your phone so I don't like hit it. There you go. A little bit did come out, like we said it was going to, but it's not a big deal. You just put it right back in again. And of course, I have my little guys here, my doggies, and look what they're doing. Are they funny, my corridors dogs, or what?
Oh yeah. They smell the good food?
Now it looks like it is done. I'm telling you right now. Okay, excuse me, Michael. So now from here, we gotta find a way to put it here on a board. And this is the 2 pieces that fall out. And then we're gonna get that pizza cutter, right, Mike?
Oh yeah. I want to see
That
the
I
inside.
have. Well, it doesn't have any cheese
No.
because it's just, you know
That's
what
why
I'm
it's a
saying?
tortilla.
I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna press hard against the torta. We're gonna do the same thing. Start from here, and as I go across, I wanna press hard, but go like back and forth, you know, because you don't wanna rip it. Now, what I'm gonna do is, I am going, hi Michael, to try to separate them like that a little bit, each one of them. Excuse me, Michael. So you guys can see it. Look how pretty it looks. And then I'm gonna serve this, guys, with a cup of coffee, hazelnut coffee for my husband. And then you have your torta. This is what it's gonna look like with bacon and egg. It looks really nice to me. So with that, you know what I'm saying, guys? You can watch the video as many times as you want, because it's not gonna take long before you can do it yourself. This is something very easy. If you have the tortas, you have the eggs, whatever you have, you can put sausages, you can put little hot dogs inside with the egg. You can put whatever you want. There's tons of things that you can do. So with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna make another cup of coffee for my husband now and give him that, so I can give the man something that he's working very hard. We're all working very hard and trying to get along. And you know, we're all gonna fight. If people tell you, oh, I'm loving my family and blah, 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 We're all fighting and arguing and doing all that stuff because that's what we do. We're humans and that's what we do. But we still love each other, you know, because we gotta each other's back when it comes to family. So with that, love you all. Try to make them tortas with your scrambled egg and bacon there. You know, it looks very easy to make. So love you all. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us. And if you want to donate, please scroll down to patreon.com. You can donate that $1 that is going to come in very handy in times like this. So with that, I'll let you guys go. Enjoy. Have a great day. And I'll see you again with another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen.